Okay, folks, I promised you a review of the John Deere HR-18R propane heater. It is a pretty chilly afternoon right now. I've got it in full use on third mode, and it's putting out some good heat for me. There's your off, your pilot to light. Once you get it lit, after you hit your igniter, that's your first, second, and third burner. Middle being first, that side second, and that side third. It's putting out quite a bit of heat right now. Pretty toasty. Propane seems to be doing pretty good. I had it at a full tank, just about, and I'm at half a tank. The book says you'll get a 60-hour burn on a 20-pound tank of propane, so we'll see if she's true to that. Other than that, I'm pretty satisfied with it. It was fairly easy to operate, fairly easy to connect up, fairly easy to put the propane in, fairly easy to assemble. You just had to put the wheels on the, or the heater on the cart with the wheels, and that was it. Snaps right in, fastens right down, and it rolls as you want. Hopefully she sees some long winters. Get you a good view in there. Woo, she's toasty. And it's a nice cool day in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Have a good one.